Hey guys, Mark here and welcome back. When we all think of Walmart, we think of cheap, probably not the best gear that you can buy. That's far from the truth. There is gear out there that you can get from Walmart that's actually pretty good. So good that there's some pieces that I've been using for a couple years now. So none of the brands that you see in the video have sponsored this video at all. This has all been purchased by me with my own money. So I'm going to start with what I think the most important piece of gear that Walmart sells that's actually really good is the Sawyer Mini water filters. They also sell the Sawyer Squeeze and the Gravity version as well. So you can pick which one you want. There's 3 different options. And these are probably the best water filters on the market. And I've been using this guy right here for years. The only thing I do not like about it is the O-ring inside tends to fall out a lot. And that can be a little annoying. How do you use the Sawyer Mini? Well, I'm gonna show you real quick. You fill this bag up with dirty water. You simply screw on the filter and then you drink right out of it, just like that. So another feature with the Sawyer Mini or the Squeeze is they fit onto Life water and the Smart water bottles. So you can fill up dirty water here, screw that on and drink right out of it. Super simple. That's all there is to it. So after every trip, consider backwashing this. That'll help with the longevity of the filter and it'll keep you safe. It'll help with the water flow and all that good stuff. So when you buy one of these, it's going to come with a syringe. So what I do is I fill up a glass of water with hot water. I use a syringe to suck out the hot water. And then you just place it on the opposite side. So if I'm drinking on this side, that's where I put the syringe. And you're shoving water back out this way. It's called backwashing. So backwash, back out, that way. On your first initial backwash, you're gonna see dirty water come out. And you wanna keep doing that over and over until the water is finally clean. So another piece of gear that Walmart sells that I think is actually really good, and I reviewed these on my channel, it's the dry bags. So they come in a 3-pack. So the blue bag is 2 liters, the red is 4 liters, and the yellow is 10 liters. I use these for different things, different days. It depends on the kind of trip I'm going on. So I just roll my tin up and it fits right here in this yellow bag here, just like so. And I have not had an issue. For the red and the blues, I'll put extra clothes, food bag, simple stuff like that. They're very lightweight. And again, I have not had these fail on me yet. This is another piece of gear that I really think that Walmart sells that's actually pretty good. So if I was making this video a year ago, I would not be adding this piece of gear. And quite frankly, when I first seen them at Walmart, I was surprised and I was actually really excited. It's great to see the company actually getting further out because they actually make really good products. And that is the Climate Static V Air Pad. I have been using Climate for a while now, and when I finally seen them at Walmart, I was very excited for Climate. They actually sell really good gear, and I have not had an issue with this sleep pad at all. So the weight of this sleep pad is 18.7 ounces, or about 1 pound, 3.4 ounces. It's got a 1.3 R valve. So this is a great option for tent camping, and to be honest, I have been throwing this in my hammock. So last time I went hammock camping, this was in my hammock. I got such a great night's sleep when I'm throwing this in my hammock now. And I don't think I'm ever gonna go hammock camping without one of these now. So when you're at Walmart and you see this pad, look a little to the left or a little to the right because you're gonna find the matching pillow to go with it. The pillow is 1.95 ounces and this thing is awesome. It's so small, like the size of my hand. Thickness is 3.5 inches. I've used this as a sit pad. I've used it to elevate my feet. I've used it as a pillow. I've used it to put in between my knees when I'm sleeping. So versatile and so comfortable. I'm really excited that Walmart's actually carrying these pillows now. These are actually really good pillows. And this is more gear that you can find at Walmart that's actually pretty good. And the last piece of gear that you can find at Walmart that's actually pretty good is the Stanley Cookware Cup. This thing is a tank. So this can hold up to 24 ounces of water. And at the bottom here, there's notches. This goes up to 20 ounces here on the notch. And then you can even see the notches inside here. So you can really see how much water you're putting in. You can get this for under $15 at Walmart. Great budget cookware. And inside you have 2 cups, or you can put food or whatever you want in these cups, coffee. The entire setup, just like this with the cups inside, is 13.6 ounces. It's definitely not the lightest, but it is going to last. So this has a lock handle. So all you do is squeeze it, pull it down. You'll hear it lock in place. The top here, the little tab, and it'll stick at the top there. So you can safely grab it without burning your fingers off. Done, squeeze, snaps back in place, and your top will not fall anywhere. I want to show you a quick tip here. So I have the 2 cups inside. I always put this is just a budget camp stove that I found on Amazon. It's like $9-10 bucks. I sit that right inside there. Space saver. So everything is inside. I know it's there. Don't have to go fumbling around your pack to find your camp stove at all. You will definitely upgrade to something a little bigger and a little lighter before this will fail on you. Backpacking doesn't have to be expensive. So go to your local Walmart, get the gear that you can afford, see if they have anything that I've laid out today, and hit the trail. If you thought this video was helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Please leave a comment on your favorite gear that you found at Walmart. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.